Do you want to feel happy and sleep well tonight? Do this calming yoga sequence daily 5 minutes for grounding yourself. Or Salutation or Bhumi Namaskar can heal anxiety and depression. Join me.
Bhumi Namaskar is connection to earth. Body, mind, breath, all blending in, touching the earth throughout the asanas is going to help you absorb magnetic energy from earth. Namaskaram. You can put your hands down first and take your hands all the way up. They're angled. Take your hands back, joined up. Open your palms and lean into the mat and relax, touching forehead to mat and stretching your hands on the mat in the front and relax your shoulders and hands. Spend some time here. The discharging and recharging is happening right now when forehead is in contact with mat. Lift your heels up and slide your palms on the mat and scooch forward, lengthening the body on the mat and relaxing your hands and shoulders again, and your forehead is again in touch with mat and earth. Take a deep breath in, open your eyes, lift your head and shoulder up for a nice back stretch. Slowly going back down. Lift yourself up onto your knees, on your foot, another leg. Balance yourself, push your hips out and touch the palms to your mat on either side of your legs. See if you can avoid bending of knees. If you can't, you can bend your knees slightly. Slowly balance yourself, bringing your body close to mat and sit down, taking the help of your hands, moving them a little front and then a little back. Stretch your legs, lengthen your spine, slide your hands on the legs. See if you can go and touch forehead to knees. Otherwise, it's okay. How far you can go is fine. Slowly bring your hands up, lengthen your spine, raise your hands up in the air and simply flip over. This is called sickle pose. And balance yourself, bringing your legs up in the air. Open legs wide and go back to sitting posture. And for a nice hamstring stretch, touch your forehead to mat if you can. Coming back, bring your feet together, spine straight, hands to the side, bend your knees. Bring your heels closer to hips. Lie down back again for bridge pose. Lifting hips completely all the way up, however you can. If you have lower back issues, simply avoid this. And relax your hips and simply come back up. Lengthen your spine. Go back to diamond pose. Lengthen your spine. Hands are on the side, back of the palms, touching the mat. Again, go back to leaning forward posture. And relax your elbows, shoulders. Spend some good amount of time there, touching the forehead to the mat, which is in contact with earth. Re-energize yourself. This is really cooling and relaxing and calming. This next posture is my favorite. It looks like all the petals of the flower are opening at the same time and the flower is blooming. So we quickly raise our head and hands together up into Namaskaram. This is Bhumi Namaskaram. Thank you for joining me today. Rendezvous with warmness, real yoga in awareness. Namaste. Om.